Hey, what is up, everybody? It has been a couple of months since I've uploaded anything here, and for good reason. I have been crazy busy. For those that don't know, my wife is pregnant. I'll talk a little bit about that in a bit. But before I tell you what I've been up to and all that fun stuff, I want to announce something that I am so excited about, and that is my book, The Grind, is officially published. I know probably a lot of you guys didn't know this, but in September I started writing a book, and that's another big reason why I haven't been uploading any videos. Is a lot of my time has been spent writing this book. I've self-published it. I had to, get cover art done. I had to get professional editors. Obviously, I had to write the thing. I had to do all the stuff, and I'm so proud and happy that it's finally here. And it is called The Grind: How to Start, Grow, Maintain, and Earn More Money with Your Twitch Stream. So this right here is basically the Holy Bible. If you guys are gamers out there, for those that don't know, my entire gaming career was basically done on Twitch. I have a StarCraft 2 channel as well on YouTube, but pretty much my entire career was built on Twitch. And what I decided to do was share all of the secrets. Things like how to get started, what equipment, software, all that stuff to buy, the different types of streamers there are, whether it's a professional player, a personality, or a hybrid of both, how to get Twitch affiliate partnership and then Twitch partnership, how to do proper time management. Then I talk all about how to make money, how to make more money in gaming, transitions that you can make from different games, or from going from a hobby to a part-time gig, or from part-time to full-time. Should you drop out of school? Should you quit your day job? All that stuff. Talk about networking and growing, and all the pros and cons of being a streamer. And of course, streamer health, and there's a bunch of personal stories in here. There's some funny ones. You learn how I got started, when I quit my day job, how I did it, how we started Life's a Glitch TV. All that stuff is in this book. You're not going to find information anywhere else that is in here. I mean, there is no other streamer that has taken the time to write a book. Now, there's information stuff that you can, and great information that you can get via YouTube and things like that, but this is a one-stop shop, and I am just so happy and proud that I'm a published author, guys. I'm a published author, and I would love it so much if you guys were to check it out. Links will be in the description below. It is available right now on paperback. This is actually a not for resale version. This was a sample I got. The new version is actually going to be glossy instead of matte, and it's going to be a little bit thicker as well. There's going to be some more pages in it so that the spine's a little bit bigger. But there it is. Link will be in the description below. The real no bullshit guide on what it's really like to be a streamer. It's not all fun and games, but man, it is a very rewarding career, and you don't even have to do it full time. You might want to just do it part time, or just casually after school, work, whatever. But yeah, all the links are in the description below. Paperback's available now. Ebook is also available to pre-order. That will be available on Tuesday, December 4th, so just a few days. And I am currently working on an audiobook, which will go up on Audible. That's going to take me another couple of weeks. I'm recording it now. It's a long process, and me being dyslexic, it is not helping at all. But it's going to be great when it's done. I'm just so pumped. I'm excited. Right now, we are in the top 5,000 books in the world on Amazon currently, and we are in the top 50 of all the smaller categories that the book is under. So head on out there, grab yourself one. It'd be a great Christmas present. If you know anybody that is into streaming or ever thought about it, or if you play lots of video games, or if you just want to know how I got started and have a good laugh along the way. Once again, link is in the description below. Thank you so much, guys. So, with all the shameless book advertisement out of the way, here is the Nightmare. She is dirty right now. We had a little bit of snow outside, but it hasn't been too bad, so I've been driving her a little bit. Had her out yesterday. I'm gonna wash her down, and then we're gonna do another video soon of me putting on the car cover and storing it here for the winter. Right now, the Jeep is already outside, and we're going to start doing some modifications on the Jeep throughout the winter. And what's cool is I actually know some Jeep friends that are all about going off-roading and having fun in the snow, so I'm going to be joining up with those guys throughout the winter, and we're going to create some really cool content. So that's just a quick update on the car stuff. Let's go in the house here. And look, there's my boy. Look at this guy. Look at this stud. Oh, look, there's my book. Hey, buddy. How's my boy? How's my boy? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. All right, and now we are in the guest room right now. As you can see, I want to give you guys an update on all the baby stuff that's been going on. We had a baby shower here last week. Look at these cats. We had a baby shower here, and look at all of the stuff that we got. And this isn't even all of it. Right now, my wife is out buying some things for the baby. For those that don't know, we're having a baby boy. His name is going to be Kai, K-A-I. And he's going to be joining us in about 2.5 months. So it's been crazy. We had a little bit of a pregnancy scare over the last little bit. Actually, well, back in October. So we had to go and do like fetal assessment and stuff. But I'm so grateful and happy that my son is 100% looking perfectly healthy, and so is my wife, which is great. So we're just very, very happy. So it's been very stressful, obviously, but we had gotten great news. We just got back from fetal assessment again a couple days ago, and the last 2 sessions have been great. So everything is perfect. Right now, baby Kai is like 3 pounds, 2 ounces or something like that. And I think Kayla is now going on 30 weeks. So it's been, hell, she's sleeping in here now, and I'm sleeping in our room because she's tossing and turning and getting up all the time. And it's also cooler in this room. So, she's just sleeping better in here for now. But so there's that. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to apologize again for the lack of content over the last couple of months. Obviously, I've just been super busy. I published a book, wrote and published a book. My wife has been pregnant, and actually the rental properties have been a bit of a pain in my ass as well. So I had to make some repairs on a washer. I had to replace a hot water tank in one property. What else? I had to replace a pump in the triplex. Good thing it was under warranty because it was brand new. So I had to do that. And a couple of other small plumbing issues. So it all just kind of happened at once, right before winter. But we got it all done, and I learned quite a bit from my old man, who basically is the jack of all trades. So I've just been so busy, and then obviously me streaming as well. It's been hectic, and I've also been doing a lot of voiceover stuff. So it's just been wild and crazy, but now things are starting to get some normalcy. We're leading into meeting my son. The book is finished. I'm just recording the audiobook now, so I can finally get back to producing some car content with you guys, and also some content about Twitch and my book and things like that. So you're going to see a little bit of that over the next bit, but yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. It's been a little while, and I promise it won't take another 2 months for you guys to get some more content. And maybe the next time we head over to the hospital to get a checkup and all that fun stuff, I'll take the camera with me, and or if a rental property needs something. But most importantly, we're going to soon put away the car. We're going to take out the Jeep, and we're going to start doing some modifications and having some fun in the Jeep for the winter. So thank you so much. I hope everybody is preparing and getting ready for the holiday season, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Once again, the grind in the description below. Thanks, guys. Peace.